Are you looking? With homes becoming busier and more pet-friendly than ever, the demand for high-performance carpet cleaners has skyrocketed. Whether you're a pet parent, a busy family, or simply a neat freak, having a reliable carpet cleaner can save time, money, and your floors. In this guide, we evaluate the best carpet cleaners based on their cleaning power, build quality, ease of use, list number. Hoover SmartWash Pet Automatic Carpet Cleaner Machine with Spot Chaser Wand. Designed specifically for pet owners, the Hoover SmartWash Pet stands out with its Spot Chaser Wand, which allows you to target stubborn pet messes and stains. It automatically mixes and dispenses cleaning solution, taking the guesswork out of deep cleaning. Its heat force technology speeds up drying, while the dual brush rolls dig deep into carpet fibers for a professional-grade clean. Easy to use and highly effective, this is a top-tier choice for pet-friendly households that demand results. Despite its powerful features, it remains intuitive for beginners. The removable nozzle and brushes also make it easy to clean and maintain. If you're tackling heavy traffic areas, list number. Hoover PowerScrub Deluxe Carpet Cleaner Machine. A consistent fan favorite, the Hoover PowerScrub Deluxe offers an exceptional balance of affordability and performance. Featuring spin scrub brush technology, it gently scrubs carpet fibers from all angles, lifting embedded dirt without damaging the carpet. The machine is lightweight, easy to maneuver, and includes an upholstery tool that extends its cleaning versatility to furniture, stairs, and car interiors. List number. Hoover PowerDash Pet Compact Carpet Cleaner Machine. If you need a compact yet capable cleaner, the Hoover PowerDash Pet is the perfect choice. Despite its small footprint, this lightweight shampooer packs surprising power. Engineered for smaller spaces and quick cleanups, it features PowerSpin Pet brush roll technology and heat force drying. It excels at handling everyday messes, especially in apartments or homes with limited storage space. The PowerDash is especially suited for pet owners, easily tackling paw prints and pet hair with ease. The low-profile design allows it to clean under furniture, and its dual-tank system keeps clean and dirty water separate. While it may not have all the bells and whistles of larger models, its ease of use, portability, and price point make it a standout for small households and pet owners. List number. Hoover SmartWash Automatic Carpet Cleaner Machine, FH5 2000. The Hoover SmartWash FH5 2000 is a feature-packed machine that delivers a truly automatic cleaning experience. With Auto Clean motion sensing technology, it knows when to wash and when to dry, no buttons to push. The Flex Force power brushes gently remove deep dirt, and the Auto Mix function ensures just the right amount of water and solution. It's particularly good at eliminating odors and restoring high-traffic carpet areas. Its sleek turquoise design adds a modern touch, and the build feels sturdy and premium. This model is perfect for homeowners who want powerful performance without complex settings. Setup is quick, tanks are easy to remove, and cleanup is hassle-free. If you're after consistent results and